Where was I going with that? I'm trying to think how I want to tell the story without like crying. Growing up, my mom was a single mother of 3. She was working at a meat packing factory. Even like as cansada que estaba, like as tired as she was, she would still make a meal. Hola, ma. ¿Qué haces?
Aquí, mijo, limpiando, ya sabes.
Se me antojó una birria, pero ¿cuántos chiles guajillos le pongo?
Ponle 12 o 10.
Ok.
Pero que salga rica, ¿eh?
Siempre.
Pero no la hagas tan picosa, mijo.
I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
I would just like observe my mom cooking. Oh, the tears. What do we think? My mom loves a classic rose bouquet. She taught me that food is more than just nourishment. It's a love language. That was always her way of showing her love, just making a good meal for me and my siblings. Hola!
Thank you.
Of course.
¿Hiciste las tortillas también?
Yeah, mom.
Bien ricas. Thank you, mijo.
Love you, Mom.